Hi and welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing about SLO, SLI, and SLA. These are important concepts in software engineering that help organizations set goals and measure performance. Let's dive into each of these concepts and provide examples for each. First, let us talk about SLO, or Service Level Objective. SLO is a target that defines the level of service that you aim to provide to your users or clients. It is usually expressed as a percentage and defines the acceptable level of downtime or errors for a service. An online retailer's SLO might be to provide a 99.9% uptime for their website. This means that their website can be down for no more than 43 minutes per month. To measure this, they might use a monitoring tool to track the amount of time their website is up and compare it against their SLO. Next, let's talk about SLI, or Service Level Indicator. SLI is a metric that measures the performance of a service against its SLO. It is usually expressed as a ratio or percentage and helps teams understand how well they are meeting their SLO. For example, for the same online retailer, an SLI might be the percentage of successful transactions made on their website within a certain time frame. They might track this metric using analytics tools and compare it against their SLO to ensure they are meeting their performance targets. For example, number of successful HTTP requests versus total HTTP requests, that is success rate. Number of gRPC calls that were completed successfully in 100 mem users versus total gRPC requests. Number of search results that use the entire corpus versus total number of search results, including those that degraded gracefully. Finally, let's talk about SLA, or Service Level Agreement. SLA is a contract between a service provider and its customers that defines the level of service that will be provided. It usually includes details on the SLO, the penalties for not meeting the SLO, and the remedies for the customer if the SLO is not met. SLA example. A cloud service provider might offer an SLA that guarantees 99.99% uptime for their service. If they fail to meet this target, they might offer credits or refunds to their customers as compensation. The SLA might also include details on the penalties for not meeting the SLO, the remedies for the customer if the SLO is not met, and the process for reporting issues and resolving disputes. Another example of an SLA could be a software development agency guaranteeing to provide a minimum of 10 hours of development time each week for their clients. If they fail to meet this target, they might offer a discount or a free week of service to their clients as compensation. In conclusion, SLO, SLI, and SLA are important concepts that help organizations set goals and measure performance. By understanding these concepts and implementing them effectively, organizations can ensure that they are providing high-quality services to their users and meeting their contractual obligations with their customers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative.